Hey guys, I got a 97 Monterey 4.3 GL Volvo Penta. And I had ordered a impeller for my seawater pump because it needed it. You know, the boat sat for 4 years. I got it running. I replaced the stringers in it and the floors and stuff. So I had to, not knowing, replace the impeller, cleaned it all out. I had taken it out on the lake, and it was running. It was running cool, 180, 185, 190 for the test run. Then I took it out again. Didn't pay much mind to it. So I guess it was okay. Took it out a third time. This time I took my family out on it, and it was running hot. Well, I wasn't getting water, you know, going through the exhaust, I guess, because the engine was running 240 degrees. But anyway, the reason why I'm making this video is it's very important when you order the impeller for these seawater pumps that you take note of the thickness of the impeller size. So now this pump I had ordered off eBay from a company called Raw Water Pumps. This is their information right here. Spoke with a lady there. She was extremely helpful. She actually rebuilds the pumps also. I was explaining my situation. And yeah, so told her what was going on. She says you probably have the wrong impeller in the pump. So basically what was happening was you slide the impeller in, you lube it up, put the cover on it. This was binding up in the inside, on the bottom here, and on the cover. Let me grab the cover. It was binding up on this cover. You can see the heat marks, the discoloration from it rubbing inside this impeller, inside this cover, rather, the pump. So I just got my new seawater pump, a rebuilt one, because I don't have a press, and I'm not, you know, fighting with taking this one apart, rebuilding the bearings. I ordered a new one from them, 199 bucks, completely rebuilt, brand new bearing seals, what have you, and the correct impeller. So I want to show you the difference if you don't pay attention, because there's no part numbers on them. Well, this one actually has a part number on it. Luckily, this one didn't. I had ordered it through Amazon, but I want to give you a comparison, and this will make a humongous difference because it's going to bind up the pump. You can see the difference here in the height. It's ever so slightly. So when this is in, it's supposed to be flush with the top of the pump. I don't think a lot of people know this because I couldn't find a video on YouTube. It's supposed to be flush with the top. Then you put your gasket on and you tighten it down, you're good to go. Well, this was sticking up past the top, and it was binding in the inside of this housing. It was binding down here, and obviously you can see it here. You can see the heat discoloration. It was binding right on here as well, and it wouldn't allow water to get sucked into. It was stressing out the impeller. It wouldn't let water go through the engine. Lines clear. Pull the stern drive off. New gaskets. You can blow through it, what have you. I know this is the problem, but I just wanted to make this video to get it out there. If you ever have this issue, make sure you save your old impeller, because I don't have it no more, even though it was destroyed. And you have to measure the height of the impeller. Don't just go sticking some random impeller in there, you know, because you bought it off Amazon or eBay or what have you. This part number is 385-7794. That's the part number of this pump right here. So again, make sure you have the correct impeller inside the pump. Extremely important. Otherwise, you're going to have the same issue that I had, and you're not going to know. You're going to be scratching your head saying, what in the hell is going on? So I just wanted to, I wanted to make this video and get this out there so more people like me having the similar situation. But again, this is the company. This is the company that I ordered off eBay. They're in Illinois. Next day aired me. I asked for that first thing in the morning, 8:30 in the morning. Today I got it. Now I'm going to install it in my boat. But yeah, so you gotta pay attention to the impeller sizes. Very important. This one is just off a smidgen, and it's enough to bind up the pump when this thing's spinning at 2,000 RPM. Well, actually, you know, your engine is spinning at 2,000, but this thing's going to be spinning more because of the, you know, the reduction on the pulleys. So this is actually going to spin more. It's probably going to spin like 4,000 when your engine's spinning 2,000. But anyway, I hope this helps. Little tip out there for any of you with the Volvo Penta 385-7794 pumps. Have a good day. Take care. So I wanted to add on to this video. This was the impeller that I had in the pump, and you could see it says on here 3.0, 4.3, 5.0, 5.7, Volvo Penta, you know, engines. This is not the right pump, impeller for that pump. I had ordered another one off Amazon, and this is the right part number for that pump. I just took the impeller out of the box, and I was checking it, and yeah, so wrong part number. It's off by a little bit, and that's the right part number. So have a good day. Good luck with your boat. Take care.